530 Dayton Street, Edmonds, Washington. We're doing a camera inspection of an interior cast iron line coming horizontally from a vertical stack. I'm going to pull back from here. Somebody's clearly washing some laundry or something, or just taking a shower. See the rough edges there. Get a little better back here. There you get a good sample size. Look at the left-hand side right there. It's so rusty it almost looks like concrete, even though it's cast iron. You just see little chunks. This is stopping all the waste from getting all the way out. Wow. Coming around turn here. Now we leave the cast and come back into ABS. Coming up out of the flange here, there's our access point. Go ahead and end the recording there.